So I've got the article written, but plain text on like a white background is not. We want to give this a little bit more pizzazz. One of the easiest ways to do that is with images and videos. So I'm going to click on the edit button now that I'm logged in at the bottom of my post, and I'm going to want to add an image. For time's sake, we're going to grab Christopher Guest's profile picture again. And we're going to insert that into the post because, you know, who doesn't like Christopher Guest or Spinal Tap? There's two ways to add an image. So we can either add an image from a URL, or we can also upload images from our web browser. And that you can upload images directly from your hard drive. So you can use a Flash uploader or the browser uploader. I tend to use the browser uploader, in that you just browse, it's just select the image, it'll upload, and then we'll go around. Actually, this is probably a better image, so I'm going to use that instead of Chris. So the racks, basically that's a server image I was working on for something else. And I'm going to upload this image. It's going to show, and the title is Server Racks. And then you're also going to want to fill out the description, because that'll help things like, basically it's the alternate text. So if someone can't see the image, they can at least read what the image is about. Image of servers. And I'm going to want to put this one to the right. And since this is a small image anyways, I'm going to want to do it full size. But you can also do a thumbnail or medium, or the full size image. So you can see that image has been put in there over the right. Maybe I wanted it to be at the beginning of the image though. So I can go in here, drag it up, actually right about there. And then you can see that it's flown to the right of the first image. And then you can see, you can bring back up that image menu from any state, and where it gets shown in the post itself. So now that I've added that, another easy way to spice them up is to do a YouTube video. I have one loaded up here, and it's about YouTube's so wacky Apple concepts coming up in the future. So all sorts of neat things that Apple's doing. And all we need for this is the URL to the video. So that's in the side of every YouTube video. And there's all sorts of different players that work, YouTube being the most popular, so it's the easiest to demo. So you can also do a Flash Swift, or you can do the YouTube URL, Google, YouTube, Metcafe, iFilm, Reverb, MySpace, etc., etc. So you can put all sorts of different video types in here. So I just pop in that YouTube URL, and it spits out this code. We won't actually see the video until we save and publish this. So now that we've saved it, I want to view this post. So now we can see we've got my image there, and we've also got this YouTube video called Wacky Apple Concepts that can play. And then we've got a slightly more attractive layout for our article.